Hi guys, this is Ms. Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 2, Lesson 25. Now in this lesson, we're talking about being able to apply the understanding of the equal sign to solve equivalent expressions. So looking at this first one right here, 5 plus 6 equals 4 plus blank. Now, you know that we have to have both sides equal. Both sides have to equal the same thing. So 5 plus 6, that's the one that has both parts. So we have to figure out what 5 plus 6 equals. So we can count. We can count on, we put the bigger number in our brain, we can count on 5 times. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we know that 5 plus 6 equals 11. Now 4 plus blank. We're going to start with the number 4, and we're going to keep on counting up until we get to the number 11. And we can use our fingers, but since you guys won't be able to see my fingers, I'm going to add a dot to show each finger that I already put up. So 4 is in our brain, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that means that there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fingers up. So 4 plus 7 also equals 11. So 5 plus 6 equals 4 plus 7 because they both equal 11. Now let's look at this one. 10 plus 3 equals 9 plus what? So 10 plus 3, we know 10, 3 equals 13. So now we have to do the same thing. We need to count on from 9 until we get to 13. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 plus 4 equals 13. So 10 plus 3 equals 9 plus 4. So now let's look at this one. 5 minus 4 equals blank plus 6. Now we can use any type of strategy that we have done. You can draw a picture. You can draw 15 circles. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Box in 10. Cross out 4. And see how many is left. Circles what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so you can do that. You can do the number bond way. You know that 15 is 10, 5. You can take 4 from 10, which we know will be 6 left. So then we can add 5 plus 6, which we know is 11. Then we know it's blank plus 6. We have to figure out what plus 6 equals 11. So we can count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know 5 plus 6 also equals 11. So 5 minus 4 equals 11, and 5 plus 6 equals 11. So the last one, 8 plus blank equals 14 minus 4. So now the same thing, we could do our number bond or a picture to figure out 14 minus 4. Or you can just count down. 14, put 14 in your brain, we're going to count down 4 times. So 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. We know that is 10. Now, we know 8 plus what equals 10? Oh, that's it. We know the 10 body of 8 plus 2 equals 10. So, or we could have counted on 8, 9, 10. So 8 plus 2 also equals 10. So both sides equals 10. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.